Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting an apartment at Ximen. It is like 7 minutes walk from Ximen MRT, and there are 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this is the front door. When you arrive at this apartment, you can see it is a 4 bedrooms apartment. There are 3 rooms over here, 1, 2, and 3. And down here is the bathroom, and this is the 4th room. And here's the kitchen. We'll start from the 1st room over here. It is a double bedroom, and there is a big shelf over here and a cabinet. Right here is artwork, and there's a big closet embedded. Like really big one, modern one as well. Okay, and here are some more storage space and a big window over here, and there's a desk and a chair, a standard double bed, a TV screen. It's very comfy, and a split AC. Let's see, check out the window. Yeah, it's where you look outside of the window. You have your own window balcony. You can hang your clothes up here. That's how Tony's we do it. Alright, from this angle, alright, and the second room. So it's also a double bedroom. There's a standard double bed, drawers, and also window. Just open it, same window, and also TV screen, closet, desk, and chair. And right here is the AC. Alright. Right here is, and the third room is on our right hand side. It's a single bedroom. There's a single bed, a TV, a bigger desk and chair, and an AC, and also a window. And a curtain, a lamp, some drawers right here, and right here is a little closet. It's right here, and with a mirror. And here's some more storage space. Okay, from this angle as well. There are some places for you to put your shoes. So here is the Western style shared bathroom. Okay, and a toilet. And a quite spacious Western style bathroom with a division and shower. That's where the shower is. Shelf. Right here is the 4th room, the last room. There's a closet right here. It's a dark wooden closet. And right here is the desk and a chair right here. Big window and good sunlight, and here's the double bed. Okay, and a TV is right here, so you can watch TV lying on your bed, and an AC. Let's check out the window. Yeah. And also curtains. Right here is the kitchen, the freezer, and the fridge, and the washer is right here. And it's an electricity one, stove, sink. That's a water heater right there. All right.